What's up everyone, Alessandro here and welcome to another quick and short Bitcoin price analysis while I am driving to the airport. Today I'm going back to Zurich, guys, so that's why I'm bringing out this update right now. I'm sorry if there is a lot of background noise, but I am traveling right now and we're gonna have a quick look into Bitcoin, guys, because while Bitcoin keeps falling here, still above our new support, of course, our new short-term support at around 108 to 107k, we are seeing the altcoins, of course, pushing nicely to the upside. So welcome everyone, Alessandro here. Of course, be subscribed on this channel. I keep you updated every day. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just showing you my own price analysis and crypto market updates every day, guys, whatever I'm doing, and of course even when I'm traveling. So Bitcoin is still falling, guys. I think that Bitcoin will continue to go down until we're gonna get a nice buy signal here in my indicators on the daily time frame, and I think it can happen very soon, maybe in a couple of days or weeks maximum. And that's why I still believe that yes, we are in a bull run, but of course we could see a bit more downside here for Bitcoin. And once Bitcoin is of course reversing and again pushing higher and higher, I think that then we're gonna see a big breakout in the altcoins, because right now if you go over into the Bitcoin dominance, you can see that we are still falling. And yes, we could get here a nice bounce from it, because we are touching now the 100 weekly moving average, and if we lose this moving average, then of course we're going to fall down towards a 200 weekly moving average in the Bitcoin dominance. So you can see that here a big trend reversal is most likely starting here, and that means that most of the altcoins will most likely outperform Bitcoin, and especially first the large caps like Ethereum, Solana, Tron and so on. They will most likely outperform Bitcoin first, and then later on also the altcoins, because now a lot of money is floating from Bitcoin into Ethereum and other large caps like Solana and so on. And you can also see that here on Ethereum we are forming this rising wedge, in theory a bearish pattern, but if we would break out to the upside, then of course we could see of course new all-time highs for Ethereum and also a big continuation of the alt season. It doesn't matter what Bitcoin is doing right now. So watch out for the breakout here for Ethereum, guys. That will happen very soon, I think latest in September. In theory, yes, it is a bearish pattern, but we're gonna have to wait until we break below the support, currently at $4,400, or above resistance, which is basically the all-time high at around $4,900, something like that. And then of course we're gonna see the next big move for the altcoins, because wherever Ethereum now is moving, the altcoins will moving according to that. But also based on the plan, guys, you can see that see the altcoin season is always coming whenever Bitcoin is first in the first phase here, pushing to new all-time highs, and Ethereum, then other large caps, and then at the end the altcoins are coming. And that's why I'm preparing also myself right now with new upcoming cryptos that you can find here in the video description. So be subscribed on my channel, guys, and check out all the new low market cap coins that are coming out. Of course they are more risky, but also more fun if they're coming out successfully. And of course if they are successful, here the complete list of hyped new upcoming low market cap coins like Pepe, Bitcoin Hyper, Token 6900 and so on. Check them out, guys. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just here to show you whatever I'm buying and selling, all my own price analysis. Do always your own research, but this is in my opinion right now where everyone is buying up new coins and of course preparing for the next massive altcoin season with new low market cap coins. There are many crypto websites where you can see different new hyped coins. I put them all together here in the video description, so check them out. And of course also if you need some exchanges like Bybit, Binance and so on, you can find all my sign-up links in the video description. With my affiliate links you will get also some extra deposit bonuses and of course access to other nice events that we are doing in the future. So if you want to have also some low market cap coins that everyone is buying up, check out the links in the video description and the videos that I did in the past, because there I show you how you can invest of course into those coins. You can basically just click the links, connect your DeFi wallet, and then you can invest with Ethereum, stable coins, whatever coin is supported, and then you're in. I keep you updated on them, guys, also later on how to claim the tokens, how to trade the tokens and so on. So that's why make sure to be subscribed also if you like new upcoming cryptos. And for Bitcoin, until we don't get here a buy signal in my indicators, especially on the daily time frame, we are still shifted to the downside. If I open up here my indicators, you can see that everything is still floating down. Money flow is decreasing, everything is bearish. Once we have here a turnover and cross again bullish, then of course I keep you updated. But until then, the downtrend will continue, and probably this will continue still for the next coming days and weeks, maybe 1 or 2 weeks maximum, until here we're gonna see again continuation to the upside in my opinion. So thank you for watching, guys. I salute you for now. We're gonna see us all back when I'm in Zurich, so that's why stay tuned, be subscribed, and we're gonna see us all in the next one. Bye for now.